Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to know organic honey. First, always look for official organic certifications on the label from trusted organizations. These certifications ensure the honey meets strict standards. Next, carefully examine the ingredient list. It should only say honey with no additional sugars, corn syrup, or artificial additives. Finally, investigate the beekeeper's methods to confirm their bees forage in pesticide-free areas, ideally within a 3-mile radius of the hives. Now let's consider the visual and physical characteristics. Organic honey often appears slightly cloudy, not perfectly clear, because it retains natural pollen and propolis. This cloudiness is a good sign of minimal processing. Furthermore, pure raw honey will naturally crystallize over time, transforming into a thicker, granular texture. This is a natural process, not a sign of spoilage. Finally, observe its consistency. Genuine honey is typically thick and flows slowly, not watery. Moving on to taste and aroma, organic honey offers a rich and complex flavor profile. You might detect notes of flowers, fruits, or even earthy undertones, depending on the nectar sources. It should have a distinct natural aroma that isn't overwhelmingly sweet or artificial. When you taste it, pay attention to the subtle variations. These nuances reflect the diverse floral sources the bees visited, providing a truly unique and authentic experience. Finally, let's talk about storage and crystallization. Always store your organic honey at room temperature in a tightly sealed container to maintain its quality. Remember, natural crystallization is a clear indicator of pure, unprocessed honey, not a defect. If your honey crystallizes and you prefer it liquid, simply place the sealed jar in a bowl of warm, not hot, water for about 20 minutes. This gentle warming will restore its smooth, flowing consistency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.